Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to reset a service interval reminder for a Ford WILDTRAK 2021 bi-turbo engine. So the first thing you need to do is turn the ignition on. And as you can see, change engine oil soon. So we need to reset that service indicator or service interval reminder. To do that, you need to press both pedal, accelerator and brake pedal. Press all the way down for about 30 seconds. And then after that, start the engine. And then turn it up. And then turn it on again. So let's see if the service interval will appear again. So the service interval reminder is not on the dash anymore. So it is now reset. So that's how you reset your Ford Ranger WILDTRAK 2021 bi-turbo engine, the service interval reminder. So that's it for today's video guys. See you on my next video.